In this series, SuiteTrails, we invite you on an architectural journey through Luton. You discover 6 exquisite apartments, each unique and charming, showcasing the city's diverse living spaces. Join us as we explore these hidden gems, providing insights into their design, amenities, and what makes them stand out from others.
Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
The cozy central Luton studio flat, ideal for airport, stands as an ideal choice for travelers visiting the vibrant city of Luton, situated approximately 18 miles from Watford Junction and just under 20 miles from Bletchley Park. This charming accommodation promises a warm welcome and comfortable stay. Nestled amidst various historical sites, such as Woburn Abbey, Hatfield House, and Knebworth House, guests can easily explore the rich cultural heritage of the area. This cozy one-bedroom apartment features a fully equipped kitchenette with an oven and microwave, ensuring a convenient cooking experience. Lovely central Luton studio, ideal for airport, is situated centrally in Luton, offering easy access to several key locations, such as Watford Junction, approximately 18 miles, Bletchley Park, about 20 miles, and prestigious attractions like Woburn Abbey, around 14 miles. Additionally, there are convenient routes to other notable sites within a radius of 15-16 miles, including Hatfield House and Knebworth House. This charming one-bedroom apartment provides guests with all necessary amenities, including complimentary Wi-Fi, a fully equipped kitchenette featuring an oven and microwave, and comfortable bedding complete with towels and bed linen. The Park Street apartment, Luton, by Hostagast, stands as an inviting abode conveniently located just outside Luton's urban sprawl, situated within a tranquil distance of approximately 14 miles from esteemed attractions such as Woburn Abbey and Hatfield House. Guests can enjoy the serene surroundings and historical charm these landmarks offer. Just across the horizon, visitors will find themselves within a short drive of additional notable locations, including Knebworth House, Watford Junction, and Bletchley Park. These proximity points make for a delightful exploration of local culture and history inside the apartment. Guests will appreciate its modern amenities designed to enhance their stay. Nice studio apartment, LTN, located conveniently near several historical landmarks such as Hatfield House and Knebworth House. This studio apartment in Luton provides a perfect base for exploring the area, situated approximately 17 miles from Watford Junction, 21 miles from Bletchley Park, and 21 miles from Stanmore Tube Station. It's easily accessible via public transport. Offering a comfortable living space with a spacious one-bedroom layout, fully equipped kitchen, and one bathroom, this accommodation caters well to those seeking a quiet retreat. Enjoy free Wi-Fi coverage throughout, ensuring smooth internet connectivity during your stay. Additionally, a flat-screen television ensures entertainment options are plentiful. Located conveniently in the heart of Luton, approximately 14 miles from Woburn Abbey and 15 miles from Hatfield House, high-end central Luton studio, ideal for airport, offers an ideal base for those visiting the area. Situated near several notable landmarks such as Knebworth House, Watford Junction, and Bletchley Park, this studio provides easy access to various attractions and amenities within a short drive, comprising one bedroom with its own fully equipped kitchenette. The apartment boasts comfortable accommodations, complete with towels and bed linen supplied. Located in the picturesque town of Luton, approximately 14 kilometers southeast of Hatfield House and 16 kilometers north of Knebworth House, lies the charming Lovely luxury apartment near Luton Airport, 801. This exquisite accommodation offers guests unparalleled comfort with its generous layout, encompassing 2 bedrooms, a cozy living room, a fully equipped kitchen, and 2 tastefully appointed bathrooms. Guests will find their stay enhanced by complimentary Wi-Fi access throughout the premises.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.